Verifying your identity on VPN Unlimited is crucial for maintaining your account security. If you encounter issues during the verification process, follow these steps to resolve them. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause verification failures. Restart your router if necessary. Step 2. Update the VPN application. Make sure you are using the latest version of the VPN Unlimited application. Check for updates in your App Store or on the official website and install any available updates. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Reattempt verification. After ensuring your internet connection is stable and the app is updated, try the verification process again. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the verification. Step 5. Contact customer support. If verification still fails, reach out to VPN Unlimited's customer support. Provide them with details of the issue, and they will guide you through additional troubleshooting steps or assist with your account. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity on VPN Unlimited. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.